Did you know that batching your business content is a whole lot more than just saving time? Did you know that batching your business content for social media will actually also make you a lot more visible with your audience? If this grabbed your attention, please give this video a like. Hi, my name is Irina Leoni. I'm a founder of Power Portraits and a photographer, as well as a visual branding and positioning expert for new and established coaching, speaking, educating, and consulting business owners. I specialize in helping businesses to easily stand out online and to develop working systems that are delegatable, scalable, and bring consistent income. In this video, I am uncovering how my online brand and I have become visible, heard, and understood in the best possible way on all the social media platforms I've used my batched content on. People no longer wonder what I do, where to go to find out more, and what is it so special about me and my offers, because it's all laid out for them throughout the content that they see on my social media. I must also add that planning my batched social media content for my business has become a real treat for me. Why? Because when I ponder and research such important questions as why do people want to buy my product, and what is it really costing them to not buy my offer right now, I end up generating so many good ideas for growing and expanding my business, and those ideas go far and beyond this batch that I'm creating at the moment. I get a lot of fire going all across the board. And I think up new content ideas, I create new videos, new offers to add. It is priceless. I feel so good being a business owner. This is what I was thinking of when I started it all 10 years ago. I wanted my life to be exciting and creative, so here we go. So let's get down to the logistics of it all. I would say that by working on all my promotional content in cycles and batches, I clarify and improve, polish it so to speak, my business model and vision. And that is why I'm thrilled to pass on this very powerful transformational tool to you, my friend. I have created a workshop on content batching system inside my business, and trust me when I say this, you do not want to delay learning this system, because it will definitely shake and shape things up for you, and it will send your business in the right direction fast. Are you ready to find out more? Make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel so you will get weekly updates on the new videos. So here we go. When I first set out to figure out a content batching system for my business, I know that all I was looking for was to save the time. But it ended up doing a lot more for me than just that. It made my marketing and the idea flow on where to take my business next so easy that I am fired up and excited about my business instead of feeling stuck and apathetic. Who hasn't been there? At the same time as building a batching system, I was trying to promote one of my online programs. So I knew that for the 2 weeks that this content was being planned for, I needed it hyper-focused around establishing my expertise in that one specific area. One teeny tiny area that was related to that specific offer. I also knew that I needed to have my marketing messaging for that offer loud and clear for people who were about to have that amazing content unleashed on them. And as soon as I ran through that batched content, I realized that this is what we're all missing. We're missing the focus on our product. And this is why we cannot sell anything on social media, because our product is not being offered in a focused way. So people know when to come and when to make those purchases. The first and most important task for me was to answer the following questions, among several others. Number 1, what kind of audience am I addressing with this offer? Are they new to this idea or have they been looking for the solution for a while now? This difference is very important because you will be presenting them with valuable tips that convert their existing objections to, okay, maybe I should check this out. Number 2, why do they want and need what I'm offering? Again, big difference. We all know that we sell people what they want and deliver to them what they need. Very important marketing staple. Number 3, what specific problems do I solve for them with this offer? See what I mean? So I started with these, and as I was brainstorming these answers, it became very clear to me what and when I needed to make my posts about. Once I answered these and several other very important questions, the rest just fell into place. By then, I already had figured out what is the most engaging type of content and how to make sure that I don't sound annoying or salesy. I spent some time creating a template, and I have been using this template every time I wanted to create a batch around the new or existing offer. And I often reuse my old batched posts to create something better and up with times. Creating consistent content did require some time at first, but now it is so easy that when you get to reuse your old batched content, it saves you enormous amounts of time. I want to invite you to join me on this hands-on workshop. I'll be sharing everything about my easily sustainable, reusable, engaging, and non-salesy content batching. Check the description for more information and other useful links below, and I will see you in the next video. Remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel and get notified every week about upcoming videos. Bye for now.